driven by clicks, shares, and engagements, the art of digital marketing has become the cornerstone of successful business strategies. And in this fast-paced digital landscape, the right guidance is crucial. Meet our digital marketing expert and trainer Ravinder, whose passion for cutting-edge strategies is matched only by their commitment to sharing knowledge. With years of hands-on industry experience, Ravinder has empowered countless professionals, providing them with the knowledge and abilities required to excel in the constantly changing digital world. From SEO to social media marketing, from email campaigns to content optimization, Ravinder has mastered the art of simplifying complex concepts, making learning both effective and enjoyable.
Come join with us, learn digital marketing secrets.
So, if you are ready to unlock the full potential of digital marketing, look no further. Ravinder is here to guide you towards achieving your marketing goals one click at a time. Enroll now and take the first step towards mastering the art of digital marketing with Ravinder.